Hi everybody, this is CR number 7, helper video number 2, and it says to simplify 9x minus 6x minus 5x. The awesome thing about this problem or this expression is that all I have are x's. So I'm going to go ahead and make my column for my x's. And then all I'm going to do is put the correct terms underneath this column, but I have to put the correct term, so I have to include the sign. So I have a positive 9x to put under there. I have a negative, oops, sorry about my x. I have a negative 6x, and I have a negative 5x. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to look at my numbers here. I have 9 minus 6. That I can do right away. 9 minus 6 is 3. But if I have 3 x's, because this right here is 3, and I'm now going to subtract 5, remember, if I have 3 minus 5, I have more negatives than positives, so my answer is going to be negative. And then how many more negatives are there than positives? Well, I have 5 negatives, 3 positives, so I have 2 more negatives. So that would be a 2. I bring down my x, and there you go, bam, it's simplified. Good luck.